Good day sir, good day mates. This is my video clip regarding effects of drugs and alcohol to seafarers in relation to sexually transmitted disease infections. Men and women are more likely to engage in casual sexual behaviors that they would not normally engage in while sober because alcohol lowers inhibitions. Furthermore, heavy drinkers have a higher probability of being in many partnerships, which increases the risk of HIV and STD transmission. Those drinking reduce your body's ability to fight off STDs. Alcohol, especially in the liver, impairs the antiviral immune response, which includes the response against HIV and hepatitis C. HICB alcohol consumption can reduce immunity, making you more susceptible to the flu, colds, and sexually transmitted infections. Several researchers have indicated a robust association between drug consumption and STDs. Research has established a connection between the high incidence of syphilis, HIV infections, and genital ulcer disease and unprotected sexual activity caused by crack cocaine usage. A few health problems brought on by STIs include perinatal or congenital infections in infants born to infected mothers, cervical cancer, ectopic or tubal pregnancy, infertility, and pelvic inflammatory disease.